I finally got around to making the drawings for the Jigsaw, the Sawzall, and the Multitool. Figured today'd be a good day to put this video together because I went on a 14-mile mountain bike ride with my daughter and my legs. I'm not sure whether they could even carry me out to the shop. So here we are. I used 1/2-inch Baltic Birch on this. As for the CNC, I used the trusty painter's tape and super glue to stick it together. I kind of just put the tape where I thought the small sections would land. Also, at least have one piece around where the big sections were. Then it was time to work the jigsaw puzzle. Only difference here is you're not going to put it back in the box, and you can show off the tools you worked so hard to get. Jigsaw puzzle part 2. This was for the multi-tool. I'd got away scot-free on cutting the parts right, except on this one. One of the tenons was an inch off, so luckily I still had the board on the CNC, and so I fixed that drawing, went back over to the CNC and went ahead and cut it. That way I could make it right. Measure once, cut twice, yeah. For the multi-tool, I wanted a little more hand clearance, so rather than recut it, I just cut it out with the jigsaw and then routed the corners around it to give it a little bevel. I didn't get too crazy with the glue right here because the joinery alone held the thing up pretty good, so I really just needed to keep it from twisting. look like I've been in the sauce here, but you get the picture. The idea was to be able to use these kind of one-handed. I'm probably going to make a few more tweaks on the file and then maybe upload it to Etsy for a couple bucks if somebody wants to save time drawing it out, if they want to build it or whatever. I like kind of being able to rearrange it, and as I build on it, it'll be a lot more interchangeable. As usual, if you made it this far, like and subscribe.